It's the holiday season. You don't want to cook a whole turkey. Well, I got a good idea for you guys. Probably my favorite part of the turkey, big turkey wings. Stay tuned. I'm going to show you how we throw these down on the smoker. All right, so I got the turkey wings on the cutting board, and what I've done, I've made these more manageable for more people to eat them per serving, and they're just, don't look so intimidating. Split them at the joint. That's all you got to do. Let me just run through and show you real quick how I did that. I'm going to get that to the side. So I want to trim this up a little bit. I got my turkey wing right there. So you got a little extra skin and fat. All you do is take your little sharp knife, get that off, put it to the side. Right there. Let me get that. Kind of fell. Okay. And then you're going to take your knife, go down this piece of skin. Once you get down to the joint, go ahead and give it a good break until that joint comes out. Just like that. Okay. You see that? That's split real good. Go ahead and take your knife and split it. Now, these wing tips are going to burn easily. I'm going to cut those off, and I'll use them for stock later. So go ahead and do the same thing. Cut down your joint till you get down there pretty good. Now, if this is chicken, they'll be easier to split, but they're not. They're big turkey wings. And voila, that's how you do that. And it should end up just like this. These usually come about a 2 or 3 pack, and they're all different sizes. So we're going to watch how we cook them today. Now, what I've done, I've got about a half a gallon of hot water. And let me take off this glove so I can show you. I'm using Meat Church bird bath brine today. Something simple, but very good, very effective. And I used about 4 capfuls or 4 tablespoons of Louisiana crawfish and crab boil for that Cajun spice. Go ahead and put it in your container. And I'm going to take these wings and go ahead and put them in the water. Just like that. Nothing fancy, nothing hard. And I found about a gallon to be enough for about 5 wings. There we go. Keep these out of the side. You can discard this fat. Go ahead and put your cap or a top on it. Put it in your refrigerator for about an hour. 2 hours, 3 hours, or you can do it overnight if you want. But for the sake of this video, and it's going to come out good anyway, I'm going to put it in for the next hour, hour and a half. And then what I'll do, I'll go ahead and put it back in the fridge, and I'll let these kind of dry out as far as the skin is concerned, so we can have some crispy turkey wings by the time we're finished the cooking process. Get your area cleaned up, and we'll be back. All right, guys, so we got our turkey wings sitting out here. I've been letting these sit in the refrigerator for about an hour, maybe hour 15 minutes. Skin's a little dried out now. Should be make for a crispy turkey wing. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and grab some duck fat cooking sprays. Right here I picked up my local Meat Church barbecue supply. And then so let me got my gloved hand. And I'm going to hit that right there. Let's hit the top first. And I decided to put the little wing tips on there because I figure I can munch on these while the football games are on. Go ahead and give it a good turnover. Since I've done both sides on that one, I'll keep that like it is. Turn all these over like that. And all this is going to do is help the rub stick. Get all this right here. All right. Then give it another spray. I like the flavor of this duck fat. It's awesome. All right, so once those are like this, now I picked up some hardcore carnivore fried turkey seasoning. They just came out with this. So I tasted it, and it's got some good flavor. It's got jalapeno, garlic, and sage in it. Picked it up in my academy. You should get you some. It's real good. I'm going to see how it works on these turkey wings. So let's go and give it a dusting. And I'm not left-handed, guys. I'm actually right-handed. But I didn't want to reach over or anything. Cross my arms. It's all right. Working out. Turn these over. Get them all uniform back up on the rack. And you see I got this on a cooking rack, and that's going to help me remove these a little better. So since I got those switched over like that, take my glove off. Get the other side of coating. And this is going to be the side I present with. So I want to get a nice even coating over the top. Go back. You can only do that by holding it kind of high. There we go. Looks good to me. A little bit more. Almost a flavor out of these. All right, so let me just straighten this up a little bit. No, I took my glove off, but that's okay. I can wash my hands. Make sure I don't touch nothing else but the grill. Let's go ahead and get this. I got it rolling around 300, maybe 325, fluctuating here and there. Go ahead and give it an open. It's been ready, and what I did with this, guys, I took some B&B charcoal. I took my grill gun, my grill blazer. Love that thing. That is right now my go-to way of lighting my charcoal. And I'm going to post a link to get you a discount on that and a link to their website. Guys, go ahead and check them out. You should get you one. Holiday season coming up. You're going to love it. I went on and lit those charcoals, and it lit pretty fast, guys, as you can see. Put a little oak in there and let this thing come up to temperature. Let's go ahead and get these turkey wings on. Put that right in the middle of there. And voila, there it is. Let's go ahead and give it a close. Bring our temperature back up. Should do that. Should do the trick. About halfway open. And hey, when we come back, we'll be, I'll give it about an hour, maybe 30, 45 minutes to an hour. And I'll hit it with a little duck fat spray a little bit more just to make sure we get that crispy skin on those turkey wings. And then we'll be putting a little sauce on them for the last 15 minutes or so. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so my wings, they're about done. And I got some sauce I'm gonna show you I'm gonna use real quick. This is out of Georgetown, Texas. Burnt Ends, right there. Burnt Ends Sauce Company. This is the Fatal Mango Texas Barbecue Sauce, and I got this at Meat Church Barbecue Supply, and I'm going to go ahead and use that, and I hope y'all can see it. I hope I got this all in the camera so you can see it. And I'm going to sauce that with that. I like the flavor on it, so I got to get this up, guys, because it's going to flame up because it's sitting at so high of a temp, 300. Let's go ahead and get this up right here. Look at that color real quick. All right, so let's go ahead and get them sauced up before the temp comes up. There we go. And because my rub's set, I don't have to worry about it coming off too much. Give it a close, about 10 minutes, and we'll be taking this off. I'll meet you inside. All right, guys, they're off. Hit them with that burnt-in sauce. About 2 hours of cook time, right at 300. Look at the color on these babies right here. Look at this big wing. Look, more manageable, just like I said. You get more servings just by splitting them. I'm going to go ahead and give this a bite. Look at this big wing just right here. So good, guys. Skin right there, bite through. Didn't pull the whole thing off. That's like a competition thigh or something. Good Cajun flavor coming out of there. That's so good. Guys, we're gonna get ready to eat. Been waiting. Started a little late. Look how big that drum leg is. Ooh, good. Got a little spice to it on the sauce. Sauce is very good. A little spice, taste the mango on it. That looks real good. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I got some links in the description, okay? For the sauce, for some of the rubs. Go ahead and get your discount over at Grill Blazer for the grill gun down in the description. I'll post that. And guys, there go another video. If you're looking for something to do during the holidays, don't want to do a whole turkey, give these wings a try. Guarantee you're gonna like them. Till next time, toothpicks. That's so good. Ooh, look at that bite through.